What's going on, fam? It's your boy Mozy here, back with another episode of Mozy Reacts. On this episode of Mozy Reacts, I have episode 73 of One Piece. But before I get into today's video, this is just a daily reminder that this is not a market substitute. He's not gonna attack us with it, right? He did! That's hilarious. Okay, now that I can wrap my head around. Okay, man. Don't argue as the religious zealot, Luffy. It's pointless. 17 to be exact. It's gonna be really awkward when our crew gets together and we're rooting for two different sides. I'm trying to think what the plan could be to not stay here for an island. That's what I was just about to say. We are not. I love that this duck has like its own personality. I want to say this to your face, Miss Valentine. How are you going to call him ugly? Look at you. You killed the mama? In front of the baby? This is the one time I'm disappointed in you, Zoro. Oh, okay. I was like, wait, is there a clone of Nami? Wait a second. I guess it would make sense that number 3 has a devil fruit since number 5 has one. But I wonder what his power would be.
突然ナミさんが消えたって。じゃあ確認はしてないの？確認なんて恐ろしくてできるか。もしバロックワークスの追っ手がこの島に入っているとしたら、2人のうちナミさんだけが狙われることにも納得がいく。バロックワークスがこの島にいるのか。
What?
でもなぜ俺は
That's what I was about to say. What do you mean it only makes sense?
バロックワークスの暗殺リストにおそらく載ってないから。なるほど。
But why would Nami be?
お酒ブロギーがあなたたちのお酒をドリーに持ってきたの。ドリーがそのお酒を飲んだら胃の中で爆発したのよ。何？胃袋で酒が爆発？じゃあそんなボロボロの体で血糖症に？止めたんだ。逆にこのありさまだ。まだ戦ってる。
なかなかしぶといな、青鬼のドリー。どれ一つ加勢してやろうかね。
Okay, so riding his hair is how he activates his power. About time. Why they make that so dramatic? I don't know. Like, I feel like if I knew more of a backstory. It's his power to make things slippery, but then I'm really confused about the clones that look like we had there for a second. Like, I feel like if I would have gotten more backstory on them, maybe I would have been more emotionally involved. And then, like, that slow dramatic of him getting hit would have made more sense, but...
Mr. 3、コードネームにて失礼。私はただの造形美術家だがね。そして、こっちは私の助手、写実家かミスゴールデンウィークだ。
Okay, so the clones were her? Can she make clones because she's a realistic painter? So, it's some type of liquid that he can... Dorry slipped on it, and then that just kind of like froze his foot. So is it ice? I don't know why, but every time I see her, I just want to slap the shit out of her now. Oh, even more so now! Oh, you guys f***ed up. Oh, you guys f***ed up. Oh, yo f***ed up. Now, this is an example of pride, not turning back on your friends. He's not doing it because of himself. Shut the fuck up, bitch. I'm right there with you, Vivi. Quit calling yourself that.
Huh? ああ、そうだとも。てめえ誰だ？リストにいたか？
いいえ、でもきっと仲間よ。消しておきましょう。
How come they're not after him? Is it because he was sleeping when that fight was going on?
Yep.
私たちオフィサーエージェントにあなたがかなうの？くじゃってスラッシャー！くらえにさせ化学星！
Usopp, that's kind of his power, so...
1万キロブレ
Dodge. I hate how they're trying to... Oh my god, I'm so upset by these dudes right now.
たださらいに来ただけだ。ミスター3に言われてな。
ミスター3、ドロドロの身の男、あいつがこの島に。
Wax.
やつは体から
Interesting.
絞り出すローを。
キャンドル人間。
So why can't Broggy break out? Alrighty, well, that was it for episode 73 of One Piece, and I am livid right now. Like, I could... Oh my god, dude. Mr. 5 and Miss Valentine need to get their shit rocked ASAP. Like, I want them to be defeated, and I don't want to see from them ever again. Like, I'm tired of them. Oh my god, they're such horrible villains. Like, their design, like, Mr. 5's design is pretty cool. That's something I'll give him. But their overall vibeness, holy shit, it's so annoying. Like they were just sitting there beating up on Usopp and Vivi, acting all confident, like, oh, we're not going to kill you, you know. And they're acting so just superior. But it's like, bro, guarantee you guys wouldn't have that same energy if Luffy was free, Zoro was there, and Sanji. Guarantee you guys would not keep that same energy. And it's just... And then they fucked up the Karo. Oh my god, like, don't fuck with animals. That... It's right there. Kids and animals are my two no-nos, and... And then, what is it? Then what else do we have? The fight. Yeah, I'm glad the fight's over. I'm curious, though, how it's going to play out once Broggy finds out that Dorry was, like, sabotaged into losing his fight, how that's going to play out. But yeah, I definitely started to understand more there in the beginning when Dorry was like, the reason we're not going to, like, his, like, I don't want to go back on this fight because I've already said I'm going to fight, so I don't want to go back on my word, otherwise I'm not going to be a warrior. That I can understand. But to say you don't want to stop the fight because of pride, I do not understand. But yeah, other than that, it was definitely a better episode than it was last episode. I'm curious, though, as to see what's going to happen here, because right now, Zoro and Sanji are nowhere to be found. They don't even know what's going on. They don't even know that giants exist. Luffy's trapped underneath a rock, and one of the giants is out of commission, and one is now trapped. So we're in a bit of a predicament. So it'll be interesting. But I do appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this reaction. It's been real. It's been fun. I don't want to say it's been real fun, but it's been enjoyable. Later on.